Hello internet marketers, welcome back to another freebie giveaway video from How to Webmaster. Today you can download this incredible package of 3,000 ChatGPT prompts for businesses, all kinds of businesses, for sales, marketing. So here's the sales page. You're gonna get this along with your package that you can download for free. I'll leave the link down below. This is a very nice looking sales page. You can reuse this sales page to resell this entire package for free and keep 100% of whatever you make. There's nothing to buy or sign up. The download link is in the video description. So again, a beautiful sales page, and let's check out the package right here. It includes prompts for business and things like marketing, productivity, sales, and startup. So let's go to business. And it gives you ideas like becoming a good team leader, conducting unique selling points. So let's check that out real quick. So identify unique selling points compared to competitors, identify unique selling points targeting your target audience. So there are hundreds and hundreds of tips relating to all kinds of businesses. And let's check out this one, how to increase return on investment. And you can provide these strategies for your own clients, and these are really interesting ideas, especially if you have clients. You can provide them with tips on how to segment the customer base and identifying the most profitable customer segments and things like that. And now for marketing, there's SEO, there's Pinterest, email marketing. So again, you get 3,000 business prompts in this package, and you get resale rights along with this incredible sales page, all for free. I'll leave the link down below. I hope this helps. Please subscribe for more freebie giveaways like this in the future. Thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.